Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back, or if you're new here, hi, my name is Ara and this is my channel. So before anything else, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And also, turn on that notification bell down below for more upcoming videos. So yes, click. So anyway, do you guys like my bucket hat? So I'm sorry if you find it annoying, but I'm gonna wear it all throughout the video because I do not know what to do with my hair today. Wala lang, I also find the bucket hat cute. So if you wanna know where I got this, link is on the description box down below. So anyway, for today's video guys, so I will share with you how to properly use the Kojie San soap. Here's the Kojie San soap, or if you want to see it actual, here's the Kojie San soap, fresh from my bathroom. I made this video guys because I've read comments. They have also been using the Kojie San soap for months or even years now, but they still did not get their desired shade that they want to have for their skin. Maybe you guys have not been using the soap properly. So anyway, for this video guys, I will talk about the do's, the don'ts, and also the tips on how to use the Kojie San soap properly. So if you are interested for this video, just keep on watching. And this is the soap that I've been using ever since I was 13 years old. And so far, I did not experience any irritation, any side effects. First tip is you leave this soap for 3 to 5 minutes maximum, because if you will just rinse it after you apply it guys, it will not absorb to your skin. So after 2 songs guys, I will then rinse the Kojie San soap just to make sure na murag ni absorb na gid siya sa ako ang body. Number 2, it's also best if you use skin whitening lotion after you take a bath. Kasi, di ba guys, we all know that Kojie San soap is a skin whitening agent. So automatically, your skin will eventually go dry after you use this soap. So I suggest na you also use a skin whitening lotion at the same time. Make sure that it's very moisturizing. For me, I use Vaseline lotion in the morning and then Nivea lotion at night. For the Vaseline kasi guys, we all know that Vaseline lotions is very moisturizing, and it really helped my dry skin, because for me, when I started using Kojie San soap, I really noticed that my skin has gone dry. However, with the use of the Vaseline lotion, it has really moisturized my skin. Number 3 guys, it's also the Kojie San soap also best works when you also scrub at least 2 times a day. 2 times a week rather. So, do you guys know what's loofah? So here's loofah. What I do kasi guys, while I take a bath, I leave it for 5 minutes, diba? 5 minutes. Let's say na it's that time of the week where you're gonna scrub your body. I told you, diba, we need to leave the soap for 5 minutes. So for the 3 minutes guys, make sure na you are just leaving the soap there and let it soak. Just sing along to the song. And for the last 2 minutes guys, you scrub your body using the loofah. Do not rinse off the soap. So what you're gonna do is you are going to rub the Kojie San soap to your loofah and then just rub it all over your body. So all those dark areas, all those dirt on your skin, which will result to a lighter skin after you take a bath. And then the last tip that I can share to you guys, for darker area, make sure to also apply the Bonne spa milk salt first, which is this one. So for the Bonne spa milk salt, you apply it first for around 3 to 5 minutes. So you scrub it on your body, and then after that you rinse it off with water, and then after rinsing off with water, you will then proceed to using the Kojie San soap. So that's the tip. We will now proceed to the don'ts. So for the don'ts, do not go under direct sunlight for too long. Guys, I just want to stress this out because if you use Kojie San soap like every single day, like me, I really try my best to even not go on direct sunlight, because guys, if you will do that, it will like burn your skin, because we are using Kojie San soap, therefore it's gonna make our skin thinner, therefore it's more sensitive on those times of the day or the week when our skin will decide it's gonna peel off. So, and then guys, if you will go on direct sunlight, it will burn your skin, therefore it will result to a darker skin tone. It's best to use Kojie San soap if you are just at home, if your work does not involve like field works, for like you are required to go on direct sunlight. So yeah, for me, I believe na this is the perfect time. Less outdoor lags or outdoor activities in this time, so I think now is the best time to start your Kojie San journey. Okay, and then the next don't is do not use Kojie San if you are using rejuvenating sets. Guys, if you are already using rejuvenating sets on your face, do not apply Kojie San soap on your face. Only on the parts that you do not use rejuvenating sets, okay? Because if you do that, it will burn your skin, so it's a no-no. Okay? So the next one is do not apply on open wounds. I think this is already a common sense, because if you are going to apply on open wounds, guys, it's very, we all know that Kojie San is very acidic, and if you apply on open wounds, it might irritate your wound even more. And then the last one, do not apply on very dry skin and chicken skin. Guys, make sure to moisturize first on those areas before you use Kojie San, because I tell you guys, if you use Kojie San and then you are still experiencing dry skin and skin, it will trigger your chicken skin and dry skin even more. So make sure na your body and your skin is in its perfect condition, na it's already like allowed to use Kojie San soaps. I will just say 2 tips for you guys. First tip is always bring umbrella with you. We cannot deny the fact that even if we're on a pandemic right now, that we are still going outdoors. With that said, always bring an umbrella with you, or just use a hat. Make sure a hat, but it's much better if you use an umbrella because it will cover not just your face but also your whole body. And the second advice that I could give you guys, always make sure to use lotion with SPF and sunblocks with SPF. So that's it, guys. I hope you guys learned a lot from this video, and at the end of the day, there's no instant whitening soap that you can use. Probably there are instant whitening, but I assure you, if it's an instant whitening, it will just rinse off when you take a bath. However, kasi guys, for Kojie San soap, it will really whiten your skin permanently as long as you do all those tips and tricks that I've mentioned earlier. So thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Let me know in the comment sections down below if you still have any more questions. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn on that notification bell down below for more upcoming videos. Bye guys, and I'll see you on my next one. And good luck on your skin whitening journey.